What is up, everybody? It's an exciting day here. I've been waiting for this for a while, and I've been wanting it for a while. We got some exhaust for the KLX 300, as you probably know by the title. It's a YOSHIMURA exhaust, not a full system, it's just the slip-on. I think they only sell the slip-on right now, but I could be wrong. They might have a header, but I've heard a couple sound clips, I believe, with the slip-on, and it seems like it sounds really, really good, so I'm super excited. Let's tear into this box. So if you've been looking for YOSHIMURA exhaust, or you kind of have a KLX 300 and you've been looking, you might know that it is not really in stock anywhere in the US, at least that I could find. So I did find this at a place called Brisbane Motorcycles, which is an online shop out of Australia. And they had really fast shipping, actually. It was international shipping. It added on a little bit onto there, but I think it shipped in about a week and a half, to be honest with you. No more than 2 weeks. So super good shipping for international shipping by them. And they got it here pretty quick. So got the little mid-pipe type thing right here. And it looks like it comes with a little exhaust plug, which is pretty cool for washing your bike, which for the amount of money this thing is, better come with something like that. But no, it's got some stickers as well, probably some hardware in there, maybe some springs. But here's the can itself, the silencer or the muffler. This thing is awesome looking, guys. So here you see right here. At first I didn't really know how I felt about this little piece here coming out the end, and that might even be removable. I think it is, actually. But it's really, really growing on me. I think it's gonna look awesome on the dual sport. I think it's just gonna look really, really good. So I don't have time to get this installed today, but I will be back with you guys and we're gonna install this thing. All right, everybody, it's the next day from when we got the exhaust, and I wanna go ahead and start taking this stock exhaust off and getting the Yoshi on. So I'm just start unscrewing stuff here. I see this guy first off, this guy, and this guy. And then we'll probably have to unscrew this little flange as well. And we'll see if anything else comes up. I'm gonna leave the O2 sensor in until I can bring the exhaust down a little bit and get a better angle to unscrew it, because right now it's in a weird spot. And these 3 bolts are gonna be a 12 mil it looks like. All right, well, she's loose in there. Now I'm gonna work on this little flange, see if that comes out easy. All right, flange is unscrewed, so theoretically we should, yep, slip this guy right off. Perfect. Now I'm gonna unscrew this O2 sensor now that I have a better angle. Stock pipe off, or a muffler, I guess you could say. O2 sensor is all out. I guess now I need to put together this Yoshi exhaust. Let's see how this goes together. All right, so we got this little part out of the... We got this little baggie here. What we got in here? Some stickers. Do get a little bit of instructions. That's nice, you get a little plug. I've never actually had one of these, so good to have now. And then the hardware here. Oh yeah, you get them factory Yoshi exhaust mount clips. That's funny. It also gives you actually gives you a new exhaust gasket too, which is nice. All right, so I literally just kind of took it and placed it on there right now, roughly. It's gonna go in a little bit more, but you get the idea. Gonna mount up there and there. And we got it sitting in there, but I need to tighten up the flange as well, so I'm gonna get to it. Also, can't forget the exhaust brackets here, so using that little tool that they gave us, just gonna pull it back and boom, super easy. I'm gonna do the bottom one as well. All right, just got this guy on right here, and they're gonna get this final screw in. Just gotta hold it up a tiny bit and should be able to get it in just fine. All right, guys, she's all bolted up and tight on there, and it looks a lot sicker, I can tell already. Looks so nice on there. I'm not gonna put the plastics back on quite yet because I'm gonna be doing some other stuff on this while I have everything off, and you guys will probably see that in the next video. But let's go ahead and get her started up. Let's see what she sounds like. All right, hopefully she barks. I don't know how that thing sounds on video, but that thing sounds real good. Holy cow. That sounds, I know it's obviously a bigger bike and everything, but I have a full exhaust on my Z, and oh my God, I thought since I was just doing the silencer or something, it may not be quite as loud, or I might not get it as loud as I want, but it's pretty dang perfect. I'll have to ride it on the road and see how that sounds. I'm also gonna put out another video real soon here, just the stock comparison. I took a few clips with the stock exhaust, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a few clips with the Yoshi RS2 once I get a chance, and I'll upload that comparison video. But for the install, guys, it was actually really easy, and holy cow, that thing's it sounds worlds different. I'm guessing it's gonna perform a little different too, but we'll have to see here. So subscribe and stay tuned if you want to hear or listen to how I feel about this pipe in the future. I will definitely make videos talking about it. I'm also, as I said, I'm not putting the seat and plastics on quite yet because I'm not done here. So we got a little something over here. But that is gonna do it for this video, guys. So be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.